Hey guys, Mr. Chan here, and today we're gonna be checking out another ROG series. As you guys know, we have several ROG lineups. We have the ROG the first, ROG Flow, as well as the ROG Strict series, which we already checked out 2 weeks ago. Of course, there's also the Tough Gaming series. So we have here today Kazel, who is probably the best person to tell us more about the ROG Flow series together. So let her introduce herself first.
Hello, my name is Kazel. In my profile, I'm more focused to draw portrait, especially female, because I can feel the flow and the connection with female.
So how many years have you been like drawing and illustrating this kind?
Yeah.
How many years?
I've been in this drawing field for 8 years since I graduated until now.
So because I believe like most people, to them like drawing is like more of a part-time, like their hobby thing, right?
Yes.
Since it's your full-time job, what
Yeah.
what do you do during your free time?
Actually, I like to play games and as well as collecting the blind box.
Oh, so blind box. Can you tell what's blind box?
It's like a designer toy. Actually, you can just like buy the box and you won't know what is inside. So you have to like, it's like gacha kind of.
Gacha.
Yeah.
Okay. So like since you like real life gacha, do you
Yes.
play like gacha games? You know, like Genshin.
Actually, I like to play Genshin Impact as well. Actually, I'm using the laptop to play.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the first one is the Z13. So actually, this is a tablet.
Yes.
Yes.
It's actually the world's most powerful gaming tablet.
Okay. So let's check out what is in the box. So for this is the Z13 laptop, and you can see it come with the stylus pen.
Yeah, you have to unbox it.
Yes. So this is the laptop, the tablet actually.
You can call it laptop also
Okay,
because it does
because they're
run
very-
Windows, and
Yeah.
then it's basically a tablet that can also turn into a laptop. So because it does come with the included keyboard.
Yes. So you can see actually the design is like quite futuristic for me. It's like a spaceship, and this is like a spaceship window like that.
So this is the kickstand. In case you guys wondering how we're gonna stand it up, I think you guys should be able to see the RGB, the window here. So there's a little window here that is I think kind of unique lah. So this is a laptop that is very clearly a gamer focused design lah. I mean,
Yes.
as you mentioned, this is also very light. This is a 1.18 kilograms.
I see.
And also, it's one of the very few gaming laptops that supports stylus input. So I think like if you also enjoy drawing or you enjoy gaming, this is one machine that can do it all for you. So yeah, I think we got another 2 more laptops. So let's
Yes.
not spend too much time on this for now.
Okay, sure. So for the next one is the X13 laptop. So you can see it's included the laptop itself.
Oh, actually comes with this. This is a laptop stand of sorts that you can fold. Because they give you instructions. I actually haven't folded it before, so I don't know how.
So this is the stylus pen, and as well as they come with the charger.
And yes, the ROG Flow X13 also comes with the ROG Chakram Core mouse, which
Okay.
comes in a box. Yeah, it's one of the more premium mice. So if you buy the X13, you don't need to go out and buy a separate mouse because it comes with one. And the other thing also worth mentioning is probably the charger. So if any of you have used the gaming laptop, you guys probably know that the chargers are usually quite big. For this, the ROG Flow Z13 and X13, we actually come with a 100-watt charger.
Okay.
So it's very much smaller, and also charges via Type-C. So if let's say you want to use it to charge your phone or you know your tablet or whatever that uses Type-C, like a lot of things. Even my vacuum cleaner uses Type-C.
It's very convenient.
Yeah,
Okay.
you only need to bring one charger.
Okay. So for this one, actually, it's like for me, it's like quite light. Even though I feel like it's lighter than the tablet.
Yeah, for some reason it does feel like, despite the fact that this is supposed to be 1.3 kilogram and this is 1.18 kilogram,
Yeah.
but it just feels lighter. So as you can see, the design is kind of like the more clean aesthetic. It's very subtle. It's not like this. You can obviously see this is a gamer laptop, but if
Yes.
you look at this laptop on the outside, it's like can pass off as a business laptop, as a work laptop. You won't really notice anything.
Yes.
Yeah, both of these feature the 13-inch screens, and of course, they also use the 16:10 aspect ratio so that you get more screen area for the form factor. Let's move on to the third one, because the third one I think is one that you have experience with.
Yes. So let's check out the latest Flow series laptop. It's called X16, which is I use this to draw my digital illustration. So for what is in the box, also included the laptop itself. Come with the stylus pen as well.
So yeah, all the ROG Flow series come with a stylus because yeah, it is designed for not only gamers and also content creators. You can also use it if you are a digital artist.
So it comes with 3 mouse as well, and also the charger. Actually, you can see it's like same with the 13. Just a size different.
Literally the same
Design?
ish design.
Okay.
And I think the color is slightly lighter. It's
Yeah.
like greyish, right? Yeah.
And also, even though it's bigger than the 13, but actually consider it's like quite light for a laptop, a gaming and drawing laptop.
Because it's still, even though it's like slightly bigger and heavier, it's only 2 kilograms, which I would personally consider quite portable, especially when you consider the fact that it is featuring all the gaming hardware inside as well.
So actually, for this 16, it is using the Nebula display,
Yeah, this
HDR.
This is actually the ROG Nebula HDR display.
As you can see, the Nebula displays actually give the best visual experience for gaming and drawing, because you can see the color actually is like quite accurate, and also it's like quite saturated and vibrant.
Yeah, so this, in case you guys are not aware what ROG Nebula is, ROG Nebula basically is like our brand standard for us to just tell you that you just have to look for ROG Nebula to know that you're getting a good display. All 3 feature touchscreens, and they're also versatile. As you can see, that also actually can be flipped.
Yes, it's
Later
like 360 degree.
Yeah, you can also turn it as a tablet. And of course, on the inside, we also have all the same gaming performance-oriented hardware, like the Mux Switch, DDR5 and all that, to give you the best gaming performance, even though these are like more versatile than just a gaming laptop itself.
So how about the HG Mobile?
Oh yeah, so
What is that?
unique to the ROG Flow series, they
Okay.
support the XG Mobile. Essentially, this is a USB Type-C along with our proprietary PCIe connector. So yeah, in this compact little package, which is actually still smaller than our laptop, as you can see. This is the AMD version, so it has the AMD Radeon RX 6850M XT.
Okay.
And then we also have a lot of ports. So we have like 4 USB-A ports for your mouse, keyboard, and then the 2 display out. So we have the HDMI and so display port, as well as the LAN port. So yeah, this is the AMD version. We also have an NVIDIA version,
NVIDIA.
which is also quite similar, except that it's just ever so slightly smaller. So actually for the NVIDIA version, we upgraded from a 280 watt in the NVIDIA to a 330 watt in this year's model, featuring the AMD graphics. So what this actually does is that you have this connector which you can upgrade your laptop down the line. Say like most people, when you buy a laptop, it's like you can upgrade the hardware, you can upgrade the CPU, at most you upgrade the RAM and whatnot. For the ROG Flow series, down the line next year, when we release a new XG Mobile, which will come with the same connector, you can just plug it in and then you get next year's gaming performance in your current laptop. So as soon as you plug it in, on the screen it will show that it's plugged in, and then there's a little switch here on the XG Mobile that you can toggle. So yeah, once you connect it, it will serve not only as the charger, you also get the external graphics and also the hub. So all of that will work together, and then once it's connected, it will actually switch to a red color light on the connector, so that you know you're not supposed to unplug it right away. So thanks Kazel for joining us today.
Thank you, Vincent. Yeah,
and
thanks for
sharing
your
about
time.
your experience with the X16. And if you guys missed our last streams, we actually checked out the ROG Strix gaming models, which are like the ultimate gaming laptops, as well as our more wallet-friendly Tab series. And next week, actually, no, the 2 more weeks, we'll be checking out the Zephyrus series. So if you guys want to learn more about the Zephyrus series, make sure to join us. And that's it for our ROG episode for this week, which is the ROG Flow series. Thank you guys, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.
See you, bye.